Hi friends, welcome to my channel JobsTuber. Friends, today I am going to explain about top 10 best PSUs list to apply through GATE 2021 and the PSUs that have no privatization risk. It means the list of PSU which have very less risk of privatization. फ्रेंड्स गेट एग्ज़ाम फरवरी से स्टार्ट होने वाला है और अब तक तो कई कैंडिडेट्स ऑलरेडी पढ़ रहे होंगे और कुछ लोगों ने तो रिवीजन भी स्टार्ट किया होगा गेट एग्ज़ाम के लिए। फ्रेंड्स ऐसे में गेट एग्ज़ाम लिखने वाले अधिकतर कैंडिडेट्स का यही एम्बिशन होता है, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स का, कि वो किसी न किसी एक अच्छे से पीएसयू में जॉब पाकर सेटल हो जाए और अच्छे से कैरियर बना ले। ऐसे में फ्रेंड्स आजकल ये बहुत सुनने में मिलता है कि न्यूज़ में कि ये पीओसी प्राइवेटाइज होने वाली है और गवर्नमेंट इस पीओसी में इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रही है। कुछ गवर्नमेंट ने इस पीओसी को प्राइवेटाइज करना चाहती है। फ्रेंड्स मैं आपको ऐसे 10 पीएसयूज या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का नाम बताने वाला हूँ जिनमें प्राइवेटाइजेशन का कोई रिस्क नहीं है। Friends, this video uploaded only with the aim of giving helpful advice suggestion to those GATE aspirants who are confusing in getting to know that which PSU and is best and highly preferred. फ्रेंड्स मेरा सजेशन पहले हर गेट एस्पिरेंट को मेरा यही सजेशन है कि ये वे सबसे पहले हर पीएसयू को अप्लाई कर ले, फिर गेट एग्ज़ाम लिखे अच्छे रैंक लाने की कोशिश करें और ट्राई टू गेट better rank in GATE so that they to get job in this top 10 mentioned PSUs for better career. But in अदर कंडीशंस अगर इन 10 PSUs में अगर आपका जॉब नहीं लगा तो आप किसी भी PSU में ज्वाइन हो जाइए सबसे पहले। उसके बाद फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर गेट एग्ज़ाम लिखकर इस टॉप 10 PSUs को ट्राई कर लेना, PSUs या ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को। फ्रेंड्स लेट्स सी इन द लिस्ट। The first name is Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. So Power Grid Corporation of India Limited is a PSU under energy sector and the government recently recognized it as a well performing unit under strategic sector. So for Power Grid Corporation of India PGCL there is no risk of privatization. So the candidates can preferred power grid, especially electrical candidates. It is most of the electrical candidates have a dream to get job in Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. So please give the first preference to PGCIL. And then next one is NPCIL, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Friends, NPCIL is a PSU working under atomic sector. So the government also recognize well performing unit to NPCIL. At the same time, government don't want to put the PSUs which are under atomic sector in privatization. So there is no risk of privatization for NPCIL also. The next name is BHEL. Friends, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, a PSU under heavy industry sector, and the government recently eliminated, it means rejected the proposal of putting the investment from BHEL. मतलब गवर्नमेंट रिसेंटली इस प्रपोजल को रिजेक्ट कर दिए। BHEL को प्राइवेटाइजेशन करने के प्रपोजल को हाल ही में गवर्नमेंट रिजेक्ट कर चुकी है। आप अगर इसका न्यूज़ जानना चाहे तो एक बार गूगल में सर्च कर लेना, आपको मिल जाएगा ये। फ्रेंड्स द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज BIS, ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स। BIS साइंटिस्ट बी नोटिफिकेशन हाल ही में 2020 में आ चुका था, जो गेट 2020 के थ्रू रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए आया था। So we can expect the notification in GATE 2020 in 2021 too, which is going to recruit through GATE 2021 exam. So Bureau of Indian Standard is not a PSU, ये PSU नहीं है, but it's an standard certifying body. So it's an institute of national importance, so there is no chance of privatization for BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. So candidates can prefer this PSU also because it has zero risk of privatization in future. And the next one is POSOCO. Power System Operation Corporation Limited. It is a wholly owned government of India enterprise under the Ministry of Power. So Ministry of Power के अंडर में ये पोसोको PSU है. So there is no risk of privatization for POSOCO. So candidates can prefer this PSU also. Next one is BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center. It is the prestigious research center that totally under control of Department of Atomic Energy. Atomic Energy के Department of Atomic Energy के कंट्रोल में रहता है ये रिसर्च सेंटर. सो इसका भी कोई प्राइवेटाइजेशन का रिस्क नहीं, ज़ीरो चांस ऑफ प्राइवेटाइजेशन है. सो कैंडिडेट्स इसे भी प्रेफर कर सकते हैं. And every year BARC conducts recruitment of OCES or DGFS post through GATE exam. So be ready to apply this, and the BARC has no privatization risk. And the next one is NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. It was constituted by an Act of Parliament in 1988 under the administrative control of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. NHAI has been set up as a central authority to develop, maintain and manage the national highways. So here I am going to show one clip regarding someone asked, is NHAI a PSU in Quora? And the answer is this one. The best part is that among all the entities mentioned in the question except NHAI, all other are public sector companies which the government can privatize at any time. Where NHAI is a autonomous body under MORTH and hence comes directly under central government. मतलब इसका भी कोई रिस्क प्राइवेटाइजेशन होने के चांसेस नहीं है NHAI का भी. And the next one is DRDO, Defense and Research and Development Organization. So DRDO is also the prestigious and powerful agency working under the control of Ministry of Defense. So there is no risk of privatization for DRDO too. So candidates can apply for this also. And every year DRDO recruits hundreds of prestigious scientists to be posts through GATE exam. So this year too can expect notification from DRDO. So please be ready. Next one is Bihar PhD, Public Health Engineering Department, Government of Bihar. It is neither a PSU nor a state corporation, but it's a state government department totally under control of Ministry of Public Health. So there is no question of privatization rises for Bihar PHED. So zero risk of privatization. And Bihar PHED, Public Health Engineering Department, recruited AEs through GATE exam in previous years. So this year also can expect another recruitment notification for AE post through GATE. So Bihar guys, please be ready for this notification. And the next one is Department of Science and Technology, Government of Bihar. So DSTBR also recently recruited 1600 assistant professors and lecturers posts for government polytechnic colleges through GATE 2019 exam. So this year also can expect notification. So these are the 10 PSUs or organization guys which have zero risk of privatization. So for more government jobs related interested news, please subscribe my channels.